Oh, yeah, sticking with McDonald's for a second, they did another famous collab with, and maybe the biggest ever that they've done. Previously, we had talked about they did it with Travis Scott, and I believe they had another one.
Was it? Yeah, another. Was it Cactus Jack?
That was the name of the collab with Travis Scott.
Oh, right, yeah.
The other one is, I think, Jay Blevins. No, you can look it up. It was an artist. I think, from South America. I could be wrong. You said that so officially in your search that it's like bringing up the Olympics. You need to put celebrity.
Blevins,
you need to put celebrity. J Balvin. My bad. J Balvin.
Sorry, Balvin.
My bad. His meal was actually kind of exciting. He had a Big Mac, medium fries, and an Oreo McFlurry.
Oh, that was...
he may have had the coolest meal of all. Yeah. But anyway, this K-pop group by the name of BTS, who is kind of a big deal. I mean, they got a lot of fans, Will. I don't know if you heard about it. But
yeah, they're kind of big.
I'm talking like fans, man. I think they're called the Army or Armies or whatever.
BTS Army?
Sheesh. Yeah. Got fans.
Come for you.
Anyway, so they got hit with this specialty meal, and this consists of 10 nuggets, 2 specialty sauces, which are available in Korea, sweet chili and Cajun, and they're quite a bit different. I got the meal yesterday.
You did, yes. We got 3 of them.
Well, there's a whole story behind. There's a whole story behind that, but I saw it and I was like, "Oh, we never got access because we're in Canada. We never got access to the other collabs." And then I saw this one, and I was like, "All right, fine, let's check it out." So it has special packaging. The fandom on this one, I saw the packaging going for sale on eBay for $100. The packaging. Talking about the bag, the paper bag with the grease stains on it.
Yeah, with no food inside.
Yeah, no food inside. And
we didn't get these cup lids though, eh?
No, we didn't. And that's because this meal you're looking at is not from Canada. I don't know where that meal was picked up, but in other markets, they have cups that look like that. That's in South Korea. That's what the cups look like in South Korea. It's a smaller drink they get.
But this is like medium. 2 of the meals.
It's 2 meals, yeah. So there's 2 meals there. Here, the meal consisted of a medium Coke, the 2 specialty dipping sauces, 10 McNuggets, and 1 regular fries. Now, the regular fries did not have any specialty packaging, which was the one letdown that people mentioned. But there was an even bigger letdown because huge, big-time BTS fans in the United States actually just received completely regular packaging. No special purple nugget thing, no special cup, none of that.
Yeah.
And so they were irate because maybe they wanted to resell their...
collect.
No, I know collect. I know collect, man. I'm just joking around. I know it's collect. But anyways, it's a regular nugget meal, but the sauces are different from what I tried before. And I end up having a Cajun dip, which is much different than a typical sauce I would encounter. Look at this. $53, buy it now. Full set, shipped, sanitized, UV sterilization. This is out of control.
Nice.
You guys want to pay $60? Oh, that one's shipping from Korea. So you got to pay $35 to ship it as well.
Whoa, look at all these boxes. They have so many.
Empty box army. Yeah, see, this guy collected it all. Well, really, maybe some of the employees. Because let me tell you what happened.
Sure, yeah.
Let me tell you what happened real quick. So we screwed up. We had a whole different thing planned. And I got it. I bought it. And it had all the correct packaging. 2 seconds later, Mo went to get it. And they were already run out of the cups. So the packaging was extremely limited. As I mentioned, people in the U.S. couldn't even get it. So maybe they underestimated the demand. Maybe the demand was out of control. Maybe the demand was wild for this. Maybe the BTS fandom is not something we can truly understand.
Right.
Like maybe it's just out of control, which I'm sure is what they want. But there was a funny little launch video to go with it. And I'm sure it's not the last time they're going to do it because it sure seems successful. They did merch and stuff as well. But what can I say? The only interesting part from a food perspective was the dips, because it wasn't your standard barbecue or sweet and sour. I got the Korean dips, the sweet chili, and the Cajun, and I have to say, I was into it. So if you want any kind of report, I'll say the Cajun was quite interesting and complex for a McDonald's dip. I'll tell you that right now.
Cool.
It's my takeaway. I also feel closer to BTS than I ever have previously and than I ever will in the future.
You almost touched them.
That's the extent of it.
Yeah.
I'm in the army. I'm an army member.
Sure.
They're all very angry right now. They're like, no, you're not.
Boo.